Hello there, West Side Wooded Royal family. It's your girl Lay of Natural Lay, spiritually known as Negra. Thank you very, very much for being here today on this wonderful afternoon, wherever you are and whatever time zone it is for you. Definitely please let me know who you are, where you're from, and what you're doing right now and how you're feeling. This will be a quick video, but before we jump into it, I would like to greet all of you in peace, all of you who are tuning in now and who will be tuning in later, and I would also like to greet you with a divine prayer. Anabakoa, Gitalat Yaminka, Tatir Tizura, Kabel Renard, Amsha Sagvenu Taharanu Nora, Nagi Bor, Dorshe Gadeka, Gavavat Shamram. Parkumtarum rakamel tazekateka, Tamid gamlim, Jasen kadosh, Braftufka nahelarateka, Yakid ge'e lamcha bane zokre kadushateka, Shavatanu kabel ushman tazakatanu, Yodea ta'alamot, Burkshem kavod malkuto, Lalam vayed. Thank you. Greetings to all. Okay, this will be a quick video, but as today is April 1st, happy April 1st to everyone and to you all. So much to plan, so that way we can harvest and reap the benefits. So we have a lot of work to do. Not to be insensitive to the subject, although this is not the topic of this video, I did also want to go ahead and give not only love and condolences to Brother Nipsey Hussle's family, his immediate family, all who loved and revered him, my LA family, my Crip community. I would love to give, and for all of us to partake in a moment of silence for the transition and just the love of his work and his messages. So if we can please have a moment of silence for Brother Nipsey. Thank you. Okay. This will be a quick video. I received something today that I wanted to share with you all. But first and foremost, I did hugely want to start with giving the biggest, most warmest, loving thank you to Brother Chris Enlightened. Not only has you tuned into our videos and commented, but you also found us on Instagram and have been active on there. But your true act of love, aside from just your attention and energy, is what you've done recently. You've donated, and that meant and still means the absolute world. And so as I have now been blessed as of this past week in return for a series of events, it was only right to send back that love and that energy to you. And that's what this is. It's a physical representation of a mutual exchange of energy. So I am so excited for this. I know what this is. You see the smile? But truly, before I even open this right now, I wanted to say thank you. Your energy was definitely needed when you sent it, both monetarily and energetically and spiritually and in every other form. And even your video today was synchronicity too, about intuition. I'm going to make a separate video on that. So it's just an honor to be in the realm of, in the presence and orbit of like-souled individuals and like-energied individuals, including like-minded. I think like-minded goes without saying. So, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, without further ado, I'd like to open this baby up. I got the, Amazon sent me like a 1 week Prime membership for like $1.99, so we hopped on that. And I knew I've been needing this and wanting this, and I have already been saying mentally that I've acquired this plus all others in this series or within this particular person's line and body of work. So, oh my gosh, I have it now. I even commented on one of his videos and said, like, mentally in my head, I own them all. Poverty Consciousness by Brother Chris Enlightened, aka The Enlightened Journey, aka Christopher Huffman. So, oh my goodness. I came upon this brother by watching and studying under Coach Kayer. Brother Chris was on one of his lives one day randomly. He said, hey, he wants to hop on. Brother Chris hopped on, dropped his information, and you know, Spirit tells you when someone resonates with you and when they have information that can enhance or propel you further and more forward in your journey and in your work. And so we just clicked energetically, binge watched almost all of his videos. I'm not finished, but he is also an author, and it was only right to not only help myself, but to help him, but to mostly help myself. You know, we're in the process of reprogramming the subconscious mind. That's what we're always doing. And unlearning poverty consciousness and understanding that we have poverty consciousness is very vital to our wealth and opulence and affluence that we are able to obtain and receive on this earth and in this realm, because it is for us to do the work that is necessary. It's for our pleasure and leisure, yes, but it's more so for the benefit of our work and to enlighten, tap into, and awaken as many people as possible. So I am juiced and geeked for this book. Do you see this? Like, I legit will probably finish this in one day. So I might even do a book review. Oh my God. I'm excited. He also has a book following this in a series called Wealth Consciousness. I read in the description that will be a gift after Poverty Consciousness, so I would love to read this first. I was going to order them together, but I did not. So we're going to see what happens as a result of me unlocking and tapping into this. But I'm just so grateful and so honored and so excited that I had to share this off. I had to put the plug in. If you don't have this in your library arsenal, you need to. If you know me personally, I'm a huge, huge nerd. I love to read. I love learning. I'm a student of the multiverse, always and forever. And this is just going to aid further in the journey. So please pick this up. I'll put all the information in the description box below. But it is on Amazon. Get you a copy. Get you 2 copies. Gift one, actually. Yes, get you 2 copies and gift one. Okay? Do that. Let's just read the back, and then I'll leave y'all, okay? Because I don't want to give all this greatness away. Because you need to go cop it yourself. I will lead you to the water, but you need to drink the water and figure out what it tastes like for yourself, the temperature, all that stuff. Self-discovery comes with you seeking the knowledge for yourself. So, here we go. Most people aren't aware that poverty is a reality as well as a state of consciousness. The consciousness of poverty makes people give up hope, and they expect the worst out of life. When you allow low levels of defective consciousness to reside within your mind, it will impede on your will to succeed in life. The reality of poverty is something the world is aware of, but the majority of people do not link their current state of poverty to their consciousness. Poverty consciousness creates the feeling of being less worthy. You don't expect joy, and you only expect contentment. Creating these self-imposed mental barriers in your life prevents you from seeing and using the same doors of success that the wealthy have open for them in their lives. Your thoughts and your consciousness create the reality around you. Thinking is the fuel for creativity. Christopher Huffman, aka Brother Chris Enlightened of the Enlightened Journey. I found you in peace. I would love to leave you in peace. Anabakoa, Gijlati Minka, Tatir Tizura, Kabel Renart, Amsha Sagvenu, Taharunu Nora, Nagibor, Dorshei Gadeka, Gavavat Shamrum, Barkum Tarum, Rakamel, Tazikateka, Tamid Kamlin, Chasin Kadosh, Baraftufka, Nahilarateka, Yaki Ge'er, Lamcha Bane, Zokre Kadushateka, Shavatanu Kabel, Ushman, Tazakatanu, Yodea Ta'alamot, Shem Kavod Malkuto, Lalam Vayed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Brother Chris Enlightened, for all of your loving support. Please cop the book. If you do have the book or if you have read it, let me know. If you don't have it but you're interested, let's see if we can work something out. The idea of a book club has been on my heart, so, anything can happen. But please, family, stay in love, continue to vibrate high, and know that all isn't what it seems, but you too can make it through if you tap into your highest self. Luna La Negra out.